Today our topic is development of tongue. It is one of the most important embryological topics as tongue is a very important organ in MBBS for students. So we know that tongue is divided into anterior 2/3 and posterior 1/3 and posterior most. Anterior 2/3. This part gets derived from the first arch. Posterior 1/3 is derived from two arches, that is our third arch mostly and second arch. Posterior most comes from fourth arch. Now the thing that we need to know is that although posterior part has a part of second arch, but the nerve of second arch that gives the pre-traumatic or the post-traumatic one is interfering with the anterior 2/3 as the first arch has two nerves. Here we have our only one nerve. So the diagram that one should follow is okay. So this is from first arch. From this diagram, it is very clear to us that the posterior 1/3 part, that is this part, in this area, third arch has overlapped our second arch and has united with the first arch. Hence, this area is formed, and although second arch is here present, but we say that posterior 1/3 part is made mainly of third arch. So the answer is that posterior 1/3 is made of third arch is not wrong, but it is made up of third arch which has overlapped or just got over our second arch and united with the first arch, and second arch lies beneath is also a correct but complete answer. Fourth arch is here, posterior most, our PM. This is posterior part and this is our anterior 2/3 part. So first arch, third arch, second arch, fourth arch. Now as per the arches we have our nerve supplies. So first arch, as there are two nerves in this, it is supplied by lingual and chorda tympani. Tympani. Chorda tympani is a branch of seventh nerve. Third arch. Third arch gets supplied by glossopharyngeal, which is our ninth nerve. Second arch does not show that much of contribution here in supplying, but fourth arch gets supplied by our internal laryngeal nerve. Internal laryngeal. Which is 10th. So this is our development of tongue with its nerve supplies. Thank you. Like the video, share it, subscribe.